Alright, so today for our testing out different art supplies from different places, I've established a couple of rules that I think I'd like to stick with. The product should be about $10 total, not including sales tax. It should be from somewhere that you normally wouldn't go to get like craft supplies or art supplies. Or somewhere that might be more unusual to find craft supplies or art supplies. Which is kind of tricky because I feel like you might go to Walmart to get art supplies, but that's okay. Craft supplies. But not like an art store or a craft store, like not Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Blick's, any of those stores. So what I went to Five Below. Five Below actually has a really large section of art supplies. I might do another video from Five Below, but I wanted to try, this is their watercolor palette. So it's a 14-piece watercolor cake kit, it's called, and it has 12 colors, one brush and one sponge, and it costs $3.25. So let's get into this and give it a try.